What if you could wake up tomorrow and see money in your account, even while you were sleeping? Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. Real passive income isn't magic, and it definitely isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work up front, but once the system is built, it can keep generating income for months or even years. Today, I'm sharing 7 realistic passive income ideas that ordinary Americans are using in 2026. Let's get started. Before we begin, remember this. Passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means doing the hard work once and earning repeatedly. Whether you're a college student, working a 9-to-5, or looking for a side hustle, at least one of these ideas could fit your lifestyle. Idea 1. High-yield savings and treasury bills. The easiest passive income starts with your savings. Instead of letting money sit in a checking account earning almost nothing, move it into a high-yield savings account or short-term U.S. Treasury bills. Imagine you have $10,000. At a 4% annual return, that's around $400 a year with very little effort. You won't get rich overnight, but it's one of the safest passive income strategies available. Idea 2. Dividend investing. Dividend stocks pay shareholders regularly. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have long histories of paying dividends. If you invest consistently over time and reinvest those dividends, your portfolio can grow through the power of compounding. Keep in mind that stock prices can go up and down, so diversify and think long-term. Idea 3. Sell digital products. One of the best online passive income ideas is creating digital products. Examples include budget templates, resume templates, printable planners, ebooks, AI prompts, Notion templates. Create it once and sell it repeatedly on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. Many creators earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month from digital downloads. Idea 4. YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube channels continue to grow. You don't need to show your face. You can create videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers where appropriate, or hire freelancers for editing. The goal is to publish helpful, evergreen content that earns from ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships over time. Success takes consistency, but once older videos rank in search, they can keep generating views for years. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means recommending products or services and earning a commission when someone buys through your referral link. This works especially well if you have a YouTube channel, a blog, a social media audience, an email newsletter. Focus on products you genuinely believe are useful. Trust is your biggest asset. Idea 6. Print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand lets you sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more without holding inventory. When someone places an order, a supplier prints and ships the product automatically. Your job is creating great designs and marketing your store. Idea 7. Create an online course. If you're good at something, coding, photography, cooking, fitness, language learning, or personal finance, you can turn that knowledge into an online course. Record the lessons once and continue selling them to new students. Education is one of the strongest long-term passive income businesses. So, which passive income idea is the best? If you're starting with little money, create digital products, start affiliate marketing, build a YouTube channel. If you already have savings, invest in dividend stocks, use high-yield savings accounts or treasury bills. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect idea. Pick one, stay consistent, and keep improving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which passive income idea are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.